Like a Schwarzenegger. So guys, we'll go for a walk. Let's go. Let's record some takes. Now I leave the sunglasses with my uncle. That is his sunglasses. And let's ride on city. This is the second time I come here making video. Let's go. Nice. It's like a old history, you know, cartoon like this. Oops. Oh, almost fallen here. Let's down the stairs. After that, upstairs. Oh yeah. So let's go. Let's see what to have on city. Looking good. That's in the entire city. I have met another uncle of mine, and tomorrow maybe I'll go with him. Meet to his house. Oh yeah. For where I go now? A lot of cars here, huh? Let's see over here. Let's go, let's walk. I need a GoPro. Oh my goodness. And talk about that, on 14, April 14, I gotta send a video for YouTube from Riapoli to they check, and I gotta wait 14 days for they review, for YouTube review the video and come back to monetization, you know. And I gotta wait into May 5, you know. Oh yeah, I'm almost arriving on the place I'm going. It's the city, and that's what you can find over there. Like I said, this is the end and the beginning of the city will come. And I have arrived, you know, when I come with the bike there. So let's go. I will subscribe my here, and let's see if I can find her.
Cleiton, aguarde nossa chamada. Tá chamando? A gente perguntou pra ele se ele atendeu.
I'm now on the center square, and my battery is almost about to die, so I will record a little more, and after charge I will come back. guys, so I'm going to watch the sunset, and the sun is already going away, so let's go see. Oh, look at this, guys. The people's already here waiting for the sun. Wow, that's awesome. Oh yeah, let's continue. Oh, that's awesome. Let's go. Let's see if you can find some place to stay. Wow, that's really nice. Interesting.
Eu tive som nosso. A menina começou a tocar comigo, ela tinha 9 anos de idade, a gente tinha 14, a gente começou a tocar na rua assim.
Nossa, olha como tá mais, olha isso.
Now the sunset is going away, and let's go back. Let's back to the trail. What do you think, guys? What do you think about this city? The first time I come here recording, I was making a vlog. I think it was the fourth vlog, and after some months I come back here, and this is my big hair. My cousin have said to me that I look like Tarzan. Oh yeah. I will be here until tomorrow, and on Monday I go away. So I got a 1 day more to enjoy. This side goes to center. I'm thinking about here. Go there. Let's see. Oh yeah, why not? I'm almost arriving on center. Yeah, basically here, but on square. I mean, where I was today, more early. Let's go there. Let's go right. And I have it right here. And I was thinking here and talking about this guy. Talk with the guy that comes here. And very nice. Let's see. Oops, almost followed. I look like drunk, but I'm not drunk. Hope so much that all you enjoyed the video, and if you are watching until here, don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Alright, now I think I will make the 2 parts of this travel basically I'm making, and it will be on ride of the bike and this vlog. Alright, so I hope so much that all you enjoy and stay with me. Thanks so much for 2,000 subscribers too. Thanks so much for that, guys. If without you, this was not possible. Alright? This was one of my big dreams. Create a channel on YouTube and have a big people here. Thanks so much for that. I love you guys. I love you so much. Each one of you. So I come back here. I was just have a dinner and take a bath, and I just was with my a friend that I don't see a long time. Yeah, I have some friends over here too. And yeah, I have a long time I don't see her, and I met her. It was really nice. So I will see if I can find another friend of mine here. I'm searching for it. Maybe I go for the place that I was today more early on Sunset, on Pyramid. Yeah, Pyramid. Pyramid, yeah. And I will be maybe until 10 p.m. And after that, because I gotta go away. Because I'm at my uncle's house, so not disturbing anything. I will come back early. You know it's real. Look at this, guys. Wow. I think really nice. And about you? What do you think? Yeah, it's all dark. But, oh. Look at this moon. Oh, I'm afraid here. I'm afraid to drop the phone. Wow. It's a lot of wind. Woo. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, it's a nice view from here. So guys, I'm in that pyramid. I was watching the sunset. And this city, as you can see, this little right over there, it's the city called of 3 Hearts. And I will be a little time here and feel the vibe, feel the vibe from here. look at this moon. And this is me. Woo! Hello. So guys, I will see what I will record even tomorrow. And probably we'll have another sunset. And bike ride. Yeah. The bike ride will be in the morning. And after that, something else on city. And more or less 1 p.m. I will give a ride. And after that, the sunset. And another day, unfortunately, we'll go away. But I will come here. I will come back here. Alright. Now, this guy I haven't seen for 5 years. Look at this. This is my big buddy, Clayton. Cleitinho Otaku.
Não, imagina, nunca você tá.
Gay! This is gay. I'm gay!
Essas pessoas que gostam de anime é tudo folgado, velho. Tudo folgado. Não sabe fazer nada da vida que as pessoas gostam de anime.
This guy, guy likes low.
É tu?
Não, aqui ó. Low.
Ele fica mandando os links pra mim, velho. Eu sou tão inocente.
Não.
Ele manda no link. Tá cheio de link. Ai, cansei.
Crazy dude.
Ai, me
Smoke weed every day, hope it all. Hey.
You're not gay.
This is gay.
You're not
This is gay.
You're not gay.
Suck a good penis. Good penis.
Gay demais.
You just joke, guys. This is a big friend of mine from school.
Mas a gente toda hora da música.
Oh yeah.
Gente, fala não é, meu.
Você não mata no coração ainda.
Não, é verdade.
Hey guys, so yeah, it's kind of dark here. So today I'm going for your last ride tonight, and I will see how much people will be on square, you know, on center. And let's ride. Yeah, looks like more empty because the guys here go away because today is already Sunday, so the most people that we are here go away, you know. So let's give a real ride because tomorrow I'm going away also. So let's enjoy your first, their last, last ride on city and walk. Alright. So guys, as you can see over there, yesterday now was with more people. Today not too much. We must go away